Hey guys, today I'm going to be creating a recipe that was requested of me, and that is my zucchini noodles and the sauce. So let's get to it. Come with me and you'll see my garden. So here, we're just gonna pick some herbs. We've got some chives. Just gonna grab a couple. And I don't need my fresh cilantro for this recipe, but I'll just say hello. And now we're gonna head and grab some, oh, my lemon balm I gotta trim back. Fresh basil. Fresh basil. As much as you want, as strong as you like it. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can always just stick with the herbs de Provence. It will still give you awesome flavor, but this is oregano. Grab onto some oregano. Delicious. Okay. Back to the kitchen we go. So here are all of the ingredients for making the sauce and for the noodles themselves. You're gonna need hemp hearts and onion powder, herbs de Provence, fresh herbs if you have them. This is organic Purist pea protein powder, garlic clove. This is thawed cauliflower rice. Sometimes I like to mix it up with broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. You can also utilize fresh, but it's kind of nice and convenient when you can use frozen organic if you're on the run. Next come the dates and the zucchini to spiralize. Then I have fresh pressed apple and celery juice that I make on my own, but sometimes if you don't have that, they have great juices at the store that are cold pressed that you can get as well. And then come the superfoods and my mushroom blend as well for added vitamins and minerals. The one thing that I forgot to add in this recipe, which I always have, is either a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or the juice of half of a lemon. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our cauliflower. Next are the dates. We're gonna add just 2 dates. 1 less if you don't want it as sweet, 1 more if you want it sweeter. Now the hemp hearts. 2 tablespoons of these guys. Next, the protein powder. Just a tablespoon of this. And we're just gonna use a half a clove of garlic in this one. You can use a whole one if you like it really strong. But next comes the superfood and a 1/4 teaspoon of that, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of the mushroom blend. Now we have the onion powder and the herbs de Provence. I just kind of tap it in there. You do you in the way of flavor, more or less, whatever feels good. Next is the juice, just enough to blend it all and drink down the rest if you want. Now it's time to blend and to do a little dancing, always. Now I always like to save the fresh herbs for last, just to blend them up a little bit so they're not completely pureed. And that's the last bit of it. Now it's time to cut and peel the zucchini. Some people keep the peels on. I like to take them off. And then we spiralize. There are all sorts of different spiralizing tools. This one, just found at Whole Foods, easy and quick. I used to have one where you would stick it on and it was like a crank, but this one works just as well. Now I have the sauce on and I am ready to eat. Thank you, God, for such deliciousness. Let's dig in. So good. So good. Oh, my happy food dance. Here's to you. Here's to life and life-bringing foods. Thank you, my friend, for joining me today. Always remember to look for joy in the little things. Dance, just a dance. Be silly because it's freeing and fun. And always, always, always just be you.